Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. So inside this video, let's talk about a new project. This project recently launched in this crypto market. In the future, they are going to launch its own exchange, its own decentralized exchange, even NFT marketplace, their token. Although you can stake stable coin in order to earn stable coin as a passive income. So the pre-sale is live. I will show you the whole thing inside this video. How to participate in the pre-sale, how to buy the token. In the future, you can get profit. So don't skip any part of the video if you love pre-sale project. If you just love high risk, high reward. Okay, now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about pre-sale project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So welcome to GRU, the pre-sale project. Okay, GRU protocol passive income. GRU protocol will provide the first real passive income in the industry. Stake USDT, earn USDT, 25% APY. No lies, start earning today with GRU. So the pre-sale is live. The current price is 0.20 cent. So you can see no one invested in this pre-sale project because this is a new pre-sale project. Recently, the pre-sale is live. That's why you cannot see any investment. So it means that you are the first person that know about this project. So after 19 days, the pre-sale or the price will increase. Make sure connect your wallet. You can purchase the token using Ethereum, using USDT, using USDC. So investment is yours, profit is yours, loss is yours. I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purpose. I'm uploading video about pre-sale project because I love it to share with you. So investment is yours because make sure to check its white paper. Inside the white paper, you can get all things about this project, whether about the problem, the solution, the mission, the goal, and the vision, even their roadmap, about the smart contract, even about the KYC verification, the pre-sale, the whole thing you can get inside the white paper. That's why check it yourself. As you can see, if we talk about pre-sale schedule, so this is the beta. The price is 20 cent. We need to complete $250,000. So stage 1 will be 22 cent and then 1.5 million. This is the stage 3. So it means that we have 4 stages. Stage 4, the price will be 30 cent. We need to complete 3.5 million. This is the pre-sale stages. Make sure to check it because if you purchase now, at the stage 4, you are in a profit. So what is GRU? GRU is a decentralized token that will allow users to be able to stake stable coins and earn stable coins with a good APY 25%. So we are solving a huge problem in the crypto space by providing real passive income to investors. Just hold GRU token and stake your stable coins in any one of our pools. You can check the staking. This is the staking of GRU as you're getting 328%. So you can stake your token in here. Make sure purchase the token first of all and then stake your token. Although you can stake stable coins in order to earn stable coins. The problem with traditional staking. Okay, the problem with traditional staking coins is the lack of outside revenue. Since these projects don't have outside incomes, they just mint more tokens, which makes their token price crash. So GRU investors will never need to worry about any of this issue. It means that there will not be any crash, there will not be any such a problem. If we talk about the GRU solution, so with our professional traders and private companies, we are invested in, we are able to pay out these returns in stable coins every year without having to worry about GRU's price going down. So since we will be able to control the token inflation issues, so investors will be safe from price drastically crashing. So don't forget to check its technomic because the total supply is only 100 million and then 50% for the pre-sale, 20% marketing, 10% for partners, giveaways, 20% for staking. Although, if you check the roadmap, we have 3 phases. Phase 1 all about pre-sale. So pre-sale is live. Even you can purchase the token. Phase 2 is about the launching, like launch of the GRU token, start revenue, launch Groot Decentralized Exchange, even about giveaway, and then about the stable coin, the NFT, and then we have launch professional trading signal Telegram to big holders. They are going to give signal about the coins in order to buy and sell to make profit, and then about the exchange. So the phase 3 is 100 million market cap. We will see the release of Launchpad, even the NFT, the marketplace, launch our Grow exchange. Big things are coming in the future. If you check the roadmap, it means that big things are coming in the future. So make sure invest in here. Whether you want to invest or no, it's up to you. Okay, further you have some question and answer. Make sure to check it in here. So, and then check its Twitter account, only one follower because this project is new. Recently joined, as you can see, November. So follow the Twitter account, click on bell icon. So I hope you understand this video. This is a new pre-sale project. Recently, the pre-sale is live. There is no any investor. You are the first person that know about this project. So smash the like button to any time high. Share your thoughts. What do you think about this project? And then what do you think about the ecosystem, the future plans? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, still did not subscribe to our channel, click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye. See you.